Is céhar blianachin ar falbh ó ball-coise agus còig blianachin bhon a bhaid na manager ma dhearach, ha sean chluichetar na ALBA Gary Holt ás agus na hard coache le Boranich Partick Thistle.
It was just a conversation with someone, that's all it was, and it piqued my interest. Football's a horrible game to be in at times because you're always waiting, especially when you're coach or manager. You wait for somebody to lose their job. I've seen it too often. Vultures sitting in the stand thinking they can do better. It's a hard enough job as it is without having people sitting in the crowd thinking I'm a manager waiting for a job and I can do better than you. It was a challenge I was looking for to get me back in the game. At the minute we are part-time. It's out there, I'm not hiding behind that. So can we get these girls, first and foremost, really good for us? Can we again get them international recognition, and then can we get them full-time football? And that's my job. I want to be able to give something back that challenges me, challenges the players I've got. And this suddenly came about and it's a challenge, and I've always been interested. So does it make you get up out of bed in the morning? Yes, it does.
Bhavisja a bhí nach chóchre san aram, bha Holt ma dhearach na manager son skippin na hiclisbríche agus balla yn leive. Einitje ma bha a gopa gunstat ag mín na parke nuair a bhaid clúich, bí Holt siroch fiach in richin sperish a hos an skippe ekisen for on na parke.
Football's a running sport. It's only when you get to my age you can play walking football. And that's what I keep banging that to them. It is a running sport. So you have to be able to run, you have to be able to compete, you have to be able to get about the pitch. And we play for 90 minutes, so it's work. First and foremost, that's it, it's work. We get caught up in this bubble, it's football and it's lovely and it's all the trappings that go with it. But at the end of the day, if you come to work and we work head on, I'll make the environment where it's fun and enjoyable. And that's my role, my responsibility. But it will also be you come to work. And that's what I can always say. It's been instilled in me since I was 16 and I joined the army. You'll come to work and you will work hard for your money. But within that you'll enjoy it. I've learned that if I can encourage and give them the belief that they're really good footballers, I'll get much more out of them. And that's one of the things I really want to hopefully give across to the women. Their energy, their effort, their willingness to work hard for each other has been really positive. Their technical ability is really high. But it's just giving them the platform, it's giving them the courage to go and do it. And I'll never have a go at a player and castigate them. I made more mistakes than MD on a football pitch. I hold my hands up. But if you can get and give players the belief that they're really good footballers and understanding it's okay to make mistakes, it's amazing to see how they can grow and what they can become. So no, it's been really good, really enjoyable. We're only at the start. It's going to get harder. They know it's going to get harder. I want them fitter, I want them stronger, I want them being able to run over the top of teams for 90 minutes. It's not hard to do, you just need to put the hard work in to get to it.
Ha Partick Thistle a bhí sorafachal ans na blianachin ma dhearach, ag léoch áitse sa phríomh chia sa líg an dèidh fiche sa trí agus dèidh fiche sa céir. Cúteach thuirid go cuas dearannach cúpa líg an dèidh fiche sa céir. Ha Holt as an an seo sa sorafachis ó hoist an skippe, ach I gurí barach cúteach as an hain agus na clúichetarinn.
I want to aim higher. If you focus on a position and you finish one place below it by a goal, have you succeeded or failed? I say reach for as high as you can, and then we can take where we'll be. If we just focus on 6, 6, 6, why not 5th? I don't want to have a ceiling on us. There is no ceiling. Let's challenge that. I want the players to believe that they are better than the opposition player that they're playing against. And if we can do that and we can believe in that and we can go and show them that they can go on to bigger and greater things. And I'll be proud as punch then that I've helped these women get into full-time football. I want to do my best here as best as I can to get these players to the best level they can, and however long that takes, not a problem, but I want them to be good people as well. I want to instill good beliefs in them, that when they leave, that 10 years down the line they can pick up the phone and phone me, and then we can have a chat and talk. But I want to challenge myself. I want to get to where I want to get to. So I want to match internationally, eventually. I have done a lot in the men's game. I'm fully qualified, but I'm a novice in the women's game. And I'm learning stuff every day, and I'm talking to people and finding out as much as I can from different avenues of what works, what doesn't work. Can I try this? How do I do that? How can I implement that? Will they buy into it? But international football, wherever that may be, as an aim, I want my players to be internationals. Why can't I then?